Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Dino Kid from 99 Nights in the Forest. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with 2 lines down. And then let's add a curve across at the bottom. Now for the top, let's draw 2 lines in, angling them down and meeting at a point. Now inside of the top, we're going to draw the teeth of the hat by drawing 2 V-shaped points on each side. Now let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 ovals for the eyes. And color them both in black. And then let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's add the dino hat. Let's start on each side at the bottom and let's draw a small line out. Then let's bring it up. And a curve across the top. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And another circle inside each one towards the center. And color the rest of the eyes in black. And now that we're done the eyes, let's move underneath and let's draw the nostrils. Let's draw a small curve up and loop it back around on top, and the same thing on the right. And lastly, for the hat here, let's draw the horns. On top, let's draw a curve up and down, and the same on the right side. Then let's add another set underneath on each side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on each side and let's draw a line out. And then a longer line down for the sides of the body. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 curves at the top. And then hop down on the right and let's draw the pocket. Let's start by drawing a square shape. And then add a line across inside at the top. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start at the top and let's draw a line out on each side. Then let's bring it down. And back in at the bottom. Now let's hop inside each of the arms and let's draw a line across. And one more on top. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. On each side, let's draw a long line down. And then a line across at the bottom. Now we're going to hop inside and draw a line down in the center. Now at the bottom, let's hop up and let's draw a line across for the bottom of the pants. And now inside each leg, let's draw a curve down and out on the corners for the pockets. And lastly, at the bottom, let's draw some details to the shoes. Let's draw a line across at the bottom here. And then inside each shoe, let's draw a curve up. Curve it in underneath each side. And another curve up underneath. And that's it for the Dino Kid. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!